All right. Choppy day. And I put a couple of trades on. I won two. I lost one. I went the other way on Netflix once it got up over 600. Thought it was going to hold. Hasn't really looked that way. Let's have a quick look at that chart. So I'm about $10 ahead. Unrealized, right? This could be a flag, but I'm just not in love with it at all. That's what I want. We could be making a bit of a boom flag like that for sure. That's definitely an option. But yeah, 600 is sort of a key level. You can see over here that was the high there. It's breaking under. It's violating the levels. So no, for me. But you can notice the SPY holding under that 507 level, which is pretty key, like really key to go long. You can notice the Qs holding under this 438 level, beautiful rejection there. You're going to go short, you had 100 points to play there, but my target would have been down here, so let's chuck the VWAP on and let's see what I would have done there. I would have wanted the 38.50. That was the level that I would have wanted. Would have got out there. Small profit. Nothing to sort of brag about. Again, this is sort of like a yesterday day. Not a good day for my sort of trading. This one, small little run up on that today. I didn't catch the whole thing. I caught it in here and I got out around there. It was like 150 bucks or something. There was more upside in that. I just didn't catch it. Netflix, really big pop, which has pissed me off from yesterday because for me, this structure was setting up really nicely for a bit of a downside move, hopefully back to that 80 level. Hasn't happened. JP Morgan, I caught at this low here. You can see that rejection of yesterday and previously in around this 82.50. So I'm hoping that there's a bit of a bounce up for that. I was meant to get it on 2 weeks. I only got it for this week. I got 185 calls, which could fuck me if we don't get a reasonably quick move. But they were really cheap. They're only 50 cents. So if this gets up to 185, then I'm going to have double the investment. It was only small. Put 500 bucks into it, so it's just a small one. W day, I'm down on currently, but I'm still pretty happy with this entry. Looking at that 20 to hold, so I need this to pull back under that 20 and keep looking for downside. The 4 hour is my stop on that. I might just sort of let him run though, because that sort of excited me a little bit to the downside. I think you might get a touch to this 0607 level, which would be a gap close, and then hopefully a run down. So I'm okay to let that run a little bit longer. I've got 2 on that one for next week, 1 for this week. What did I win on? I had a win on Nvidia, just a little one. Again, it's just not really getting the movement. The volatility is just not there for making a lot. So I got in somewhere around here, 780. I got out around 85. It was like 100 bucks all much. Again, just small. So I'm seeing this now. I'm not really interested. I'm just going to sit back and observe, try and learn what the movements are. Apple, fuck, I was keen for this to keep dropping. Ooh, this run in here, I was like, ooh, is it going to do it? Is it going to do it? But I didn't short this time. I was waiting until I got a confirmation under there and run back down. Didn't happen, bounce back up again. But I am tempted to take some long shorts, and I would do up around that level. Metal was actually quite a nice move. 479, just a little bit above my target. I wasn't watching it. It wasn't the one I had on the screen. and I wouldn't have caught it because the candle structure for me just wasn't there. But it was a nice move. Coins in consolidation mode. Microsoft, nice drop from that 20 this morning. That would have been one of the better ones. I probably could have caught that, but I really like it touching. So yeah, it was okay. But again, like nothing here is, you're not looking at it and like, oh, awesome move. It's all just choppy shit stuff. And when you look at the IWM's going up, I added to my longer term shorts on that for April. So I've got 6 of those contracts for 194 puts. I still expect them to go well. I want to get out of my, so if this comes back down here today, it'd be really nice. I'll get out of my shorts on the Qs. I just think my entry was poor. I probably should be entering around there at a rejection or a break and hold under there. So yeah, I just think I can improve that entry, and that'll make the trade better. But yeah, not too much else. I'm happy with the ones I'm in. Even that Netflix one, it, broke over where I would have liked to have stopped out, but it just hasn't done too much since its move. Like, it's a decent move, but you're only up like 1.5% now, and I think a pullback to that 90 is quite doable today, which would get me out for next to nothing. So I don't know. Wait and see, but choppy day, it's not great for your break and retest. You're not getting any sort of clear movements. Everything's just fucking around the same price level. Better off to just basically not do anything today. So that's what I'm doing. Just watch. If something happens, then I'll be watching. But the SPY and the Qs are the key ones to watch and see if there's some breaks there or breaks in the futures, which there's just not at the moment. So it is what it is. Take it easy. And I'm happy with my approach today because right now I'm like pretty much even on closes. The ones that I'm not, I'm happy to give a bit more time to, and they've got slightly longer term looks. I am up on it was funny because I went down on Netflix overnight, but I went up on FXI by pretty much the same amount that I went down on Netflix. So as annoying as the Netflix one was, it's balanced out by the longer plays on the FXI that I've got. And if Netflix keeps coming down now, it'll be quite nice. So we'll see how we go there. I'll leave it there. Just, yeah, be cautious today, quite choppy. So take it easy. Bye. Okay.